Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So the pound dollar did turn out pretty strong yesterday. We don't really have a break of structure or anything like that, but if this really is a running flat instead of a regular or an expanding flat, then you would expect to see a higher low. So now that it did push up and it engulfed up, I mean, we probably should be looking for longs just in case it really is a running flat and it does just keep on going. We do have to be cautious though, because it could just be a pullback to the last wave down. It could make a lower high, and it could end up pushing down to our key levels that we've been watching. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down, which is definitely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Now, if this move up right here is a trend reversal, then it will not break structure to the downside at a fib level, but instead it will go up and take out this high, which to me would definitely prove that the daily is back into an uptrend. If it really is just a pullback to this last wave down and it is going to make a lower high, then most likely it will make like a double top at one of these fib levels, break structure to the downside, confirming that the market is trying to push back down. So right now, I probably would be recommending longs. Hopefully, when we learn and earn whether this turns into a reversal, goes up and breaks this high, or whether it's a corrective pattern and it breaks structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.